All right, do you want to try another speed pop?
Yeah.
All right, let's try 52. See if you can speed pop 52 pops. Very good. How do you know that's 52? That was fast.
So I just counted by tens 50.
And how many tens make 50?
You just need 5 tens.
Okay.
And then to make the 2, you need 2 ones.
Very good. So 50 and 2 makes?
52.
Excellent.
I'm thinking 408.
Very good. It is 408. The value of this 4 would be what? What does it really mean?
It means 400.
400, since the 4 is in the hundreds place. Don't have any tens here. And the value of this 8 would just be?
8.
8, because it's in the?
8.
Which place?
Ones place?
The ones place. So then what if I flip these digits around? I put the 8 here instead, and I put the 0 here.
I know what this would be. It's easy.
What would this be?
It would be 480.
How do you know it's going to be 80?
Because the 8, so if it were to be 80, the 8 would have to come first before the 0.
Right, and the 8 needs to be in which place for it to be 80?
Tens.
In the tens place, because 8 tens makes 80, right? What if I switch these digits, the 8 and the 4, and I put the 8 here and the 4 here? I wonder what number that would be.
840.
Very good. What if I switched this 4 and the 0 like this? What number would that be?
84. I mean, it's 804.
Very good. Excellent.
The 110 that's left over here is just separated from these 4 tens.
So I still have 54, but what I did was I organized it in a different way. I broke up that number in a different way, right? So let's show how did we break that up. What do we have over here? This is how much? How many cookies?
40.
And you're right. The first thing you said is also right, because you were going to say 4 tens, right? And 4 tens is the same as 40. So we have 40 here. And then what do we have here?
We still have 45, but 54.
54,
So it's just organized in a different way of 54, because how it's different is because you slided this other part
A pack of 10, yep.
A half of 10 away.
A pack of 10. We've slid over a pack of 10.
And it's next to the lonely cookies. And if you just would scooch it over, that would be a whole 54.
Right. So let's think about how we organized our cookies this time. So how many cookies are here?
4.
4
tens
makes how many cookies?
40.
40. So on this first line, let's write 40, because we're going to break these packs of cookies up. 40. And then over here, how many cookies are in this part? I have a 10 pack and then 4 singles.
5, 10.
11,
12, 13, 14.
14. So on that side, you can write?
14.
Excellent. What if I slid over another 10 pack? Is it still 54 cookies?
No. Because how it's not, wait, it still is.
Okay.
But this is 3 tens. And the 3 tens make 30. And then what you did is you scooched this one over, but it's still 54. Because these are together, but if you just scooched this over, it would be the same thing.
Right. So I didn't make a new number. I just organized that number in a different way, right? So let's show with numbers how we organize it this time. You already told me this much is
3 tens, that equals 30.
Right there. Great job explaining your thinking. And then this part has
20.
And you don't even have to count on, because you already know this is how much.
4.
So you can say 20 and 4 makes?
24.
Excellent. So what can go right there?
24.
Wow. So 50 and 4 makes 54. 40 and 14 makes 54. 30 and 24 also makes
54.
I wonder if you can pack it a different way.
We can.
Show me.
So if you just scooched this over, it would still be 54.
I think you about to be a teacher, girl. Tell me, what parts did we make 54 with this time? What do we have here?
2 tens, and that equals 20.
Mm-hmm.
And what I did here is I split this up, and then I organized it in a different way, but instead with another 10 to it.
Mm-hmm.
But then now I have 3 tens, 3 groups.
3 groups of 10.
And now I have 4, so it would be 34.
Very good. So we would have 20 and 34, right? Very good.